Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Bask and Lather Scalp Stimulator review. So you might be wondering what is the Bask and Lather Scalp Stimulator that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, the Bask and Lather Scalp Stimulator is a natural hair growth oil designed to support healthier looking hair by nourishing the scalp and improving the overall condition of the hair follicles. Now, according to the official website here, the formula is made from cold pressed grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, rosemary, and peppermint oil, and it is intended to help improve scalp circulation, strengthen hair, soothe irritation, reduce dandruff, and enhance natural shine. Now, the product is formulated for all hair types here, including straight, wavy, curly, coily, and chemically treated hair. Now, one of the main features the scalp stimulator is its lightweight oil formula here. Now, the manufacturer here states that it helps nourish the scalp without leaving a heavy residue while supplying omega 3, omega 6, and omega 9 fatty acids from its plant based oils. Now, the product is currently priced at around $19.99 for one time purchase, with a subscribe and save option that lowers the price to $16.99. And the company also offers same day or next day shipping on many orders. Now, using the oil is quite simple, so if you're wondering how to use it, now the official directions vary depending on your hair type. Now, for type 1 and type 2 hair, apply the oil to the entire scalp 1 to 2 times per week. Now, for type 3 and type 4 hair, apply 3 to 4 times a week or per week. Now, if you're targeting bald spots here, thinning areas, or sparse edges here, the manufacturer recommends applying the oil 1 to 2 times daily directly to those areas. Massage the oil into the scalp for a few minutes to distribute it evenly, then leave it as a part of your regular hair care routine. Now, the company also recommends performing a patch test before the first use and consulting a healthcare professional if you're pregnant, nursing, or have certain medical conditions due to the essential oil ingredients here. Now, with any kind of products that you may be taking into your body, especially if you have any ongoing or existing medical conditions, again, consulting a doctor is your best bet first here, just to be on the safe side. Now, according to Bask and Lather here, consistent use is important. Now, the company states that while some users may notice changes sooner, it generally recommends allowing at least 3 months of regular use before evaluating results. Now, the website also notes that the oil is intended to help calm scalp irritation, reduce dandruff, strengthen hair, and restore shine, in addition to supporting healthier hair growth here. Now, if you do have any questions regarding the product, you could go and just visit their official website, go to the contact us page here, or reading more into their FAQ page. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.